Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomatic course. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2020. So we are here with its problem 46 of your paper. This problem is a problem from ODE, so have a look. Consider the differential equation. So we have a differential equation given to us where fx is a continuous function such that limit fx goes to infinity, fx is 1. Then the value of limit x goes to infinity yx will be. So it's a numerical answer type problem. So what you have to type your answer over here. Now see, this question can be done in two ways. All right. So we have a differential equation, and if you have studied ordinary differential equation, then you must have studied how to solve linear differential equation. So it's a differential equation which is linear. All right, I'm not going to explain that part. So it's a linear differential equation. What you can do, this is your method number 1 that you can opt in the exam also, because also it will be short way but not that much short. So what is this method? Is this that you choose your fx. So what question is asking? Question is asking you the limit of yx. That means this limit is going to be unique for every f which is continuous and whose limit is 1 when x goes to infinity. So it doesn't matter which function you choose, and if the function satisfy this property and this property, then your limit is going to be unique. That means when you will place fx is equal to e to the power minus x plus 1, then also your limit will be unique. So see, this is a continuous function. Yes, it is a continuous function. When limit x goes to infinity, this thing is 1. Yes, this is 1. Therefore, you can evaluate the limit of limit x goes to infinity yx by solving this linear differential equation. So the method is you keep fx as e to the power minus x plus 1, then solve this differential equation, then you will get your answer. But that's not a smart way to do this. In this video, we will not be focused on how to solve this differential equation. We will be focusing on something else, okay, which is much more informative way. So this is method number 2. Method 2 is, it is given to you that when x goes to infinity, your fx is going toward 1. What is the meaning of this? It means that when you will increase your x, then your fx is going to touch this line. All right, is going to be near. It means that y is equal to 1 is the asymptote. This is the definition of asymptote, if you know. All right, so let me draw the graph for you. Although it is not a precise graph, but it is there. So let us say this line is your line y is equal to 1. All right, so this is your line y is equal to 1. Now what is happening is this, that when you are going toward infinity, you are coming toward 1. That means your graphs will be something like this. It's going to be asymptote with what? With the line y is equal to 1. Are you getting my point or not? So from here we are concluding that y is equal to 1 is the asymptote. So this is the actual catch for this question. Examiner don't want you to solve this question by this way, although it is a way, but he don't want you to do this. They want you to do in this way, that you prove that y is equal to 1 is the asymptote. We got that y is equal to 1 is the asymptote. So near asymptote, you see your curve is going to be flat. Flat means what? Near asymptote dy by dx is going to be 0. That means when x is going toward infinity, your dy by dx is going to be 0. So this is the important catch for this question. Now I can solve it. What is y? Y is fx minus dy by dx and 1 by 10 on the outside. This is your y. All right. So if you will apply limit on both sides, what will happen then? If you will apply limit both sides, you will get this 1 by 10 fx minus dy by dx. So this thing is going to be 0. And what is limit x goes to infinity fx? It is 1. So answer will be 1 by 10. So this is your answer, and it is the most shortest way for solving this question. So you will get 0.1 from here. All right. So now let us write 0.1 over here. All right. So thank you.